And next one is GitHub also I will show you. What we will do is I just click on the web here. So this is my GitHub site. And here I have a CSV file. You can also create create some account in GitHub. If you already have it, then it is good. You can try it out this one also. Okay. For example, if I just opened a CSV file in my GitHub folder, I just right click on it and copy it. So what is GitHub? Anybody has any idea? I think most of you are using GitHub, right? GitHub.csv. When I click on OK, it will open up a preview window. But this, whatever you see it in the preview window is not helpful. Okay, it is not, you cannot see the data, and you will find something like HTML tag, and most of them are not much helpful here. You just click on cancel, and in the case of CSV file, you need to click on the raw button here. Can you see it here? You need to click on the raw button here. Even if you open the file on GitHub, the next step you need to hit this button raw. Okay, when you hit this button raw, you can see the data, something like this. You will find something like this, and then you will find in the URL raw.github user content, right? So you right click on it, copy this, and then you can paste it here. Web. Control V and hit OK now. You can find the CSV file here. That's all. Next one is load. So, okay, we have enough data available in our system. Now you understood how to connect to GitHub. It is pretty simple. For you, the assignment is you just create the account in GitHub and load an Excel file. Okay, you can load an Excel file. And you have every liberty to do Googling. Okay, go and search it. And then if any Excel files are there, how you can load it, right? You just give it a try.